Hi guys, this is unboxing of electric scooter Smarty R1 with a maximum speed 25 km per hour and power range up to 20 km. Well, let's proceed and see what's inside. So, what can we see? It's really well packed. It's coming in a big box, and it's coming as well inside. We can see the second box, which I will try now to open. So what we can see on the original box, we have in here the model Smarty R1 with 350 watt and 8-inch wheels. So what we can see inside, this is charging cable. Also we have inside Allen key, fuse and melon. Nice, steady build and well designed scooter, which you can carry easy up to stairs and go with it in stores, maybe bus or logs as well. Weight is 12 kg. It comes full assembly, so what you need to do, just press the button and lift it up until you hear the click. It has a front and rear suspension. It has removable LG battery, and to remove it you just need to lift it up a bit and take it out. And the same way you can push it back. It has as well USB output and battery charging slot, capped with a rubber cap. It has as well extendable handlebar, which you can adjust according to your height. At the front, it has LED light with illuminated handlebars on the both sides. At the back side, it has LED light with a stop line. On the handlebar, it has accelerator, brake and touch LCD display. After a couple hours of charge, I'm going to show you how to turn it on and main functions of operation. To turn it on, we need to press the button which is located on the top side of the battery compartment and hold it for 2-3 seconds. As you can see on the display is the speed, travel distance, battery level charge, which as well you can see on the top side of the main battery. By pressing the touch button on the display, we can turn on the front light. So as you can see, it's pretty bright. When we're pressing the lever on the left side, which is brake, we can see the change of the light on the handlebars, which is red. By pressing as well the brake, we can see the rear light, which is flashing continuously. And when we are driving, it's just flashing, as you can see. It's important to mention that folding system is well made and very durable. All overall, this scooter is suitable for those who are traveling up to 20 kilometers and those who doesn't have a space to charge the scooter, so they can detach the battery and charge whatever they want. In the next video, we are going to take it out for a spin. Please subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website or links below.